The Raquel Welch Spring Signature Collection brings you 3 new inspiring wigs which are as versatile and stylish as you are. For more than 20 years, she has put everything she knows about beauty, style and fashion into making women even more beautiful than they already are. These new trend-setting looks have endless styling options that allow you to create your own look and style right out of the box. This unique curly textured style, click, click, flash, is loaded with layers that make you camera ready in an instant. Made with a temple-to-temple lace front, style it off or on your face, and its soft spiral curls in our true-to-life, heat-friendly synthetic fiber make it irresistible. Comfortable and breathable Memory Cap 3 allows you to enjoy this style and the compliments that are sure to follow. Fierce and focused, this contemporary short style is loaded with features and flexibility that keeps the focus on you. The hand-tied cap gives you endless parting options that always look natural. An extended lace front lets you sweep it off the face or fingerstyle the bangs for a softer, relaxed look. The stylish tapered nape looks salon-styled and finishes the look. It's sure to become a favorite, giving you a fierce, ready-for-anything look. This gorgeous, soft, wavy, chin-length style is captivating canvas, and it's sure to capture everyone's attention up close and from afar. The temple-to-temple lace front allows truly versatile styling, and the natural monofilament part with a long, soft side bang is alluring as it is timeless. Endless looks can be created with our true-to-life, heat-friendly synthetic fiber. These new wigs were created with you in mind. Building confidence and creating beauty is what Raquel is all about. For over 20 years, modern, unique styles have been created with the highest quality components that you've come to know and expect from Raquel Welch Wigs.